Deleted text messages on your Infinix phone? Don't worry, most SMS can still be recovered. In this video, we'll show how to retrieve deleted messages with or without a backup. Option 1. Recover deleted text messages from Infinix via archive or trash folder. Solution 1. Recover messages from the archive folder, unarchive them. Open messages archived. Long press conversation, unarchive. Check inbox for restored messages. Solution 2. Restore messages from trash or recently deleted if available. Open messages trash bin. Long press conversation restore. Check inbox to confirm messages. Option 2. Retrieve deleted text messages on Infinix via Doctor for Android. No hassle. For those who need a deeper scan, many people rely on Mobican Doctor for Android, Windows, Mac because it is designed to detect and recover deleted SMS from internal storage. How to retrieve deleted text messages from Infinix with Mobican Doctor for Android. Launch program and connect phone. If rooted with USB debugging, run deep scan. Select messages. Choose scan mode. Click next. Preview, select, and recover to computer. Option 3. Find deleted SMS in Infinix from Google Backup. Setting system reset options, erase all data. Confirm reset and wait for restart. Connect Wi-Fi. Sign into Google. On restore from Google Backup, select latest backup and ensure SMS is checked. Finish setup and check messages for restored texts. Option 4. Recover deleted messages on Infinix via ReDM. Recover deleted messages. Install ReDM and grant permissions. Keep running in background. Open chats deleted messages to view deleted SMS.